Today, I want to share the inspiring story of true hero who overcame discrimination to shape the course of history. Ladies and gentlemen, he is none other than Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. I am your present 12th official from S.A. Kithiradan Singh Production. Born into adversity, Dr. Ambedkar rose to become the architect of the Indian Constitution, dedicating his life to fight for equality, justice, and education. His journey reminds us that no matter the obstacles, we have the power to create positive change in the world. Let's honor Dr. Ambedkar's legacy by standing up against injustice and working tirelessly to build a future where everyone is treated with dignity and respect. Let's follow Dr. Ambedkar's example and work towards creating a fair, inclusive society with accessible education for everyone. Together, we can overcome any obstacles and create a better future for all. Educate, educate, and organize. Thank you.